So, Professor, what are you clutching in your hand there?
It's not a sausage roll. It's not a bacon butty.
That's a shame.
But no, it's a little piece of equipment for emergency repair work. As a temporal traveller, a time traveller, I find that you never know what's going to happen.
You don't.
You get somebody tries to stick a shiv in you, you know, and tears your clothes, or anything can happen. You can fall over on the Victorian road and tear your clothes and whatnot. So it's best to blend in, or in any period of history. So you dress the part. Of course, when you dress the part, you've got to wear clothing that is of the period that you choose.
Yes.
And there are various periods that we travel to. And so I've got this little piece of equipment here that I've just unrolled. It's all hand sewn, handmade, and it's got various pieces of equipment in it for various periods, you can see. Here I've got an awl from perhaps the Iron Age to make holes for sewing leather, deer antler handles, you see, piece of iron. But in all periods you need period equipment. So here I've got a piece of deer skin with some very ancient pre-textile needles. These are made of bone, this yarn isn't a cotton or a linen. It's a piece of deer sinew.
Oh yes.
From a deer's legs. So it's very ancient period repair, or making and repair. At a later period, medieval period, perhaps you've got bronze things. There's some bronze pins of that period.
Really nice, Professor.
You've got various different sorts of, this is when you've got yarns.
Yes.
And this is linen yarn. Unbleached linen yarn, so Bronze Age on up to, late medieval period. And then later still, you've got some steel needles, which are very modern really for us.
Yes.
But all hand sewn work. It's called a housewife because it was women's work really.
Well, I suppose that's true.
Yes, so this is one of my little housewives.
Well, I will leave you to your housewifely tasks, Professor.
Wonderful.
Well done, you.
What have been doing, say I.
Bye.